Hey up, welcome to GMotorbody. We've got this MG in, it's a warranty job. The paint's flaking, if I can show you. It's just peeling off. So we're going to remove the bumper, take all the grills out and hopefully get all this paint off. So that's it, all blown off. The paint is stuck in places. It's got proper adhesion. Just seems to not adhered where the primer is, this grey primer. So we'll sand that back and we'll prime it. So that's all the bumper rubbed down. That's all the flaky paint gone. We've 180'd it, 320'd it on a D8. 9 ounce plastic priming and dye building, and next time you see it, it'll be in primer. So that's it, job done, all repaired and painted. I'll show you around with the camera, tell me what you think.